It's an early start this morning. It's 6:10 local time. We've set off from the Cortacino dirt track and we're heading for Rovaniemi in Finland. The weather is pretty dull. We've got some high ground to cross again and we're expecting to have to dodge some weather. So this is the progress so far, 2,428 miles, and this is our route. Take us down to Rovaniemi. It's about 199 miles, 2 hours 40 minutes. So, the visibility is not great once again, and it is about to get a whole lot worse. So let's look at our options. Our destination airport is closer than our takeoff airfield, so turning around is not really desirable. We know that the weather is clear at Rovaniemi. We could maybe climb through the cloud and get on top, but we think the cloud would be much thicker as we climb through it. We have spent a long time trapped above cloud in the past, and we haven't really got an appetite for it again. So the decision was made to hold our nerve, keep the treetops in view when we can, and use our height above ground feature on our SkyDemons, whilst looking for the brighter areas and heading in something like the right direction. This sort of flying is not the sort of thing you ever set off to do, but when you are out on an expedition and high in the Arctic Circle, you can soon find yourself in a situation where keeping your focus and not panicking will get you out of trouble. So once again, we are very pleased to be approaching our destination airport of, this is Rovaniemi. We're just joining downwind now. This was an interesting one. I haven't got the audio for this, as I've not had for quite a few videos now, but the audio for this is just absolutely fantastic. Rovaniemi is a part civil and part military airport. So the civil side, all the terminal and everything is on the south side of the runway, and the military side is all on the north side. So as me and Dave were coming in, and Dave's ahead of me, but we were actually on the downwind, and we were told that we were number 2 and number 3 to an F-18 fighter, and we could see the F-18 Hornet come in and land ahead of us, and we were told that we were clear to land, but to be aware of wake turbulence. It was absolutely fantastic after such a tense flight in horrendous visibility to then end up on such a high, coming into a massive airport as number 2 and number 3 to an F-18. Well,
another first for us. We've just arrived in Rovaniemi airport. It's not really an airfield. We're in Finland now, aren't we?
we are in
We're
Finland.
in Finland now,
Yeah.
Bit of a dodgy flight at times, having to divert around all the weather and this, that and the other. But we've had another first. This is a bigger airfield than the last one. And they were talking...
Hi.
Oh yeah. We were talking about coming downwind, and we were seeing 737s, and then I was second in line to an F-18, which you don't get in many airports, so it was different.
That's it, yeah. Awesome flight coming into a big airport like this in a Flexwing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. But all to plan and all went well, so excellent.
Now we're going to fuel ourselves up, fuel the planes up.
Head south.
Bye.
Right.